Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix the problem of Instagram not opening. Let's fix if the Instagram app is not opening. Now, if you are trying to open the Instagram app and it's just not opening, or it just start to open but then immediately closes, crashes again. I'm going to show you the steps to get that fixed. First, open your settings option in your phone. Then scroll down and you need to click on this app management option in here. The setting option may different from phone to phone. Now you need to go to app list in here. Here you can see your all installed applications on your phone. So scroll down. Now you need to find Instagram app among these. So after you find the Instagram app, tap on it. Then you need to tap on this clear cache option and clear data option under the storage usage option in here. So now you can open your Instagram app again. Now your Instagram app is definitely opening. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.